Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am hosting a giveaway along with a swap. I am super excited. I have so many new subscribers. So many of you have been supporting my small business of Dewdrop, and I just want to thank you all so very much. The giveaway is going to be for one flat rate mailer of goodies. It's going to be very easy to enter. It is for US only, and I'm so sorry my international friends, the postage is too expensive to send out of the US, and I apologize for that. You must be 18 years or older, be a follower, and leave a comment. Please enter me. And that is it. I would love if you would consider doing an optional VR or repost my video on your community page. I thank you all so much for your continued support. I am also opening this up for a swap. Let me show you before I go into the swap details. I have 4 of these stuffed bubble mailers. I sold several of them, and these are the ones that did not sell. I have 4 of these ones that have very similar items in them, but I'm only going to show one. They all have some kind of sequin mix, chipboard, you have some flowers, ribbon, miscellaneous stamps, some tie-dye fabric, a frame, some chipboard, bling, some Project Life cards, more chipboard, some mini spoons. This one has a journal book, a bunch of bling, sequin, some charms. We have a Basil coin holder book, some papers, some stickers, some alphas, some washi strips, chipboard albums, post-it notes. These are some brads, some more brads, and a sleeve of packaging materials. I have 4 of these available. Then I have a Smashbook one, and in that one you will receive a Smashbook. And I don't know if the pens are dried out or not. I've never used them. We have the band, some quote pages, some more tags pages. We have the mini one that you can pull apart and add in there, some flags, some bands, and these are all miscellaneous papers from other Smashbooks. Another pen. We have some clips, and more list pads. I have one of the Smashbook kits, and then we have a planner kit. So in here we have a journal book, Plan With Me sticker. This is the Boss Babe. This is the goal tracking. This is the workout one. We have This Is Us. We have the Happy Planner notebook. We have some of these Post-its, some miscellaneous planner stickers, and some miscellaneous planner stickers, washi tapes, as well as rolls of appointments and self-care, and some banners. And that is the planner one. For the swap, I will send you a flat rate bubble mailer, and then you send me one in return. They cost, I think, about $10.65 to mail out. I have 1 planner, 1 Smashbook, and 4 miscellaneous crafts. 5 are going to be to swap. If you're interested in doing a swap, I'm going to go in comment order. So if you leave a comment, I would like to swap a miscellaneous craft, you will go on to here as miscellaneous craft. And when the 5 are filled out, whichever one of these is left over, that is going to be the giveaway. So I have 5 to swap. The first comments to pick from the options, which are right here, and the last one available will be for the giveaway. I prefer no alphas, notebooks, dollar store items, paper scraps, or similar items as to what was in the miscellaneous craft envelopes. And just to give you an idea of what I am looking for, I'm just looking to do swaps for like supplies for supplies, stuff that you have extras of, or you're ready to destash and move along, stuff that you don't use anymore. So it's not to buy anything new. Items can be used, that is fine. But I just want to give you an idea of things that I like. If you have them in your stash, these are things that I would love to receive. The first are, I love these little mini baggies. I use these for my dewdrops, so any kind of baggies. These cellophane bags, I also use these for my dewdrops. And flat cards with envelopes. I do package my dewdrops in these, and these make it really easy for me to quickly send out some dewdrop orders. These are things that I would love because of my dewdrop business. Any papers that are over 6x6 in size. I do have a Cuttlebug, a Big Shot, and a Cricut. I love stamps, dies, big beads, and I love pens. And guys, that is my giveaway and swap. I hope that makes sense. I'm just going to run through it real quick. I am doing a giveaway of one of the flat rate bubble mailers. To enter, you must be 18 years or older, US only. Sorry for my international friends. Be a follower and leave a comment. Please enter me. It is optional, but I would really appreciate if you did a VR or repost my video on your community page. I am opening a swap for 5 of the flat rate bubble mailers. I have 4 miscellaneous craft, 1 smash book, and 1 planner. If you're interested in doing a swap, I will send you a bubble rate mailer package and you send me one in return. I have 5 to swap. If you are interested in a swap, leave a comment telling me which bubble mailer you're interested in, the planner, the smash book, or the miscellaneous craft. The first 5 that go, the remaining 6th one will be for the giveaway. Please just leave comments so I can keep track of everyone that's entering and everyone that swaps. And when the swaps are filled, I will leave a message, swap closed. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I thank you all so very much for supporting my channel and my small business. I love watching all of the videos of everyone showing off their dewdrops and how they're using them and how they're organizing them. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.